Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying power and access. Make sure battery reads above 12V and remove any external charger so the ECU behaves predictably. Next, plug your OBD cable or connect your VCDS/OBD11 to the OBD-ROMAN 2 port under the dash. You need the ignition on but engine off. Once connected, open the chosen diagnostic app and let it establish a CAN bus link. This avoids errors when clearing ServiceNow flags and ensures modules respond during the next steps. You navigate to the instrument cluster module or the dedicated service interval menu. This is where the ServiceNow flag and oil service counters live. Once inside, read the current service codes and note mileage and months values. This helps if you need to re-enter realistic settings. Use the reset or adaptation function to clear the interval. If the message returns, manually set the counter values to the correct mileage and months. Then write and confirm changes before exiting the module. You finish by cycling the ignition off and back on to let modules reinitialize. Then confirm the ServiceNow message is gone and gauges perform their self-test. If it reappears, scan all control modules for related fault codes. Often unresolved faults retrigger the reminder, so fix the root issue like oil sensor or communication faults. As a last resort, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes to clear stubborn memory, but be prepared to re-enter radio and comfort settings afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.